Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.